You watched episode 1. You felt the surge of motivation. You understood the logic of the exclusion principle. But look around you right now. Is your desk clean, or is it still covered in clutter? Is your phone in another room, or is it warm in your hand? This is the knowledge action gap. Most people stay here forever. They consume content about productivity just to avoid being productive. Today we stop consuming. Today we build. This is the 24-hour exclusion protocol. 8 a.m. Phase 1. Visual silence. Your brain is a processing machine. Every object in your peripheral vision is a piece of data. That old coffee cup? Data. That stack of unread papers? Data. That blinking router light? Data. Even when you are not looking at them, your brain is spending energy to ignore them. You are tired before you even begin. The protocol is simple. If it is not the tool you are using right now, it does not exist. Clear the surface entirely. Put everything in a box. Do not organize. Just remove. Create a void in front of you. When the eye sees nothing, the mind can finally see the thought. 1 p.m. Phase 2. The digital shield. By midday, your willpower is weak. The enemy knows this. Your phone is designed by thousands of engineers to hack your dopamine receptors. The colors, the red badges, they are candy for your primal brain. We must kill the candy. Go to settings, turn your phone to grayscale, black and white. Suddenly, Instagram looks like a spreadsheet. TikTok looks like surveillance footage. The magic is gone. You will feel an urge to turn the color back on. This urge is the addiction leaving your body. Observe it, but do not obey it. Delete the apps you opened first thing this morning. Yes, delete them. You can reinstall them tomorrow if you survive. But for today, they are gone. 8 p.m. Phase 3. The sensory fast. Most of us end the day consuming more information. News, drama, noise. Tonight, you exclude the input. No screens after sunset. Sit in a chair, look at a wall. Be bored. We have forgotten how to be bored. But boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the soil where ideas grow. In this silence, you will hear your own thoughts for the first time in years. It might be scary. Let it be. This 24-hour protocol is extreme. It is painful. But tomorrow morning, you will wake up in a different world, a quiet one. You will realize that you don't need 80% of the things you thought you needed. Execute the protocol. Subscribe to CogArch. Rebuild your mind.